Well, hello everyone. We're playing Rolling Thunder. Oh, what are you little frames? Hey, get away from me! Hey, bad boy. They can just kind of mind their own business. No, Jeffrey Bezos. Okay, let me just turn my volume down. Okay, there we go. Huh, those guys are kind of... Oh, I gotta do something real quick, so... Yeah, nothing happened. Probably for you, actually, nothing happened. I'm gonna jump in my helicopter. Oh, he attacked me. What you doing? It's so weird how sometimes they just kind of waddle around and do nothing. Oh no, I'm so scared of him. Look at him. So this, I'm assuming, is like my heavy gun. It sounds like it shoots harder. Oh, he's angry. He's entered rage mode. He's grumpy. The grumpy monkey. Grumpy monkey. Bye, grumpy monkeys. Where you guys going? Can I join fun? Hey, stop it. Stop it. I just want to join your fun. I just want to join your guys' fun. Oh, they don't like me. I'm sad. That's what I'm gonna kill your friend. Yeah. You see, look what happened to him. F. Open menu. Unlock. Now I have a revolver. Okay. Where are them? Where are them? They're over there. So I think this is based off Vietnam, probably. It's called Rolling Thunder. It's a pretty fun game. I'm in the trees, sucker. I said I'm in the trees. I don't even know if this game's supposed to really be about. It's just kind of random. It's just slightly. No Viet Cong here. Dang, I can move really, really fast. I don't really care. Oof, I don't really care. I don't really care. I'm trying to do something. Okay, so now... I don't need that. I must have enough for the PPSH. Okay, I can get the PPSH now. You see what I mean? Ah! Ooh, this gun looks like a pack a punch. Look, it looks like it really pack a punch. Okay, so I'm gonna like so I think you can like speed up. Like I don't know earlier like it's definitely going faster than this. I love this sound. So silly. Pick up ammo. I don't even need ammo, I just picked it up. Oh, I got a badge for that. That's cool. Okay. I'm being shot at by someone. Vietnam flashbacks. Down there. Some of them. Ooh, that red, white, and blue. Doo doo. No, 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 no. Ooh, that red, white, and blue. It ain't me. It ain't me. It ain't. Oh my god. My bush protection. Well, half rock, half bush. I don't like how you can't slide down hills. Like, you can slide up a hill. I think I broke the game. I'm most definitely sliding right now. And it makes it so I'm moving really, really stupidly fast. My speed. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, 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 faster. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, faster. Huh. Will you just die? I couldn't survive that many bullet shots. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, 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 faster. Gotta go fast. Because actually, I think you. So what you do is you sprint, then and then when you still, and you move at like the speed of light. Okay. Gotta go fast. Can I turn up like FOV so I look like I'm actually going faster? Oh my god. I hate when this happens. I gotta move this again. Like the 300th time. Okay, so we gonna turn my FOV, my graphics quality. More. Oh. I don't really care. Okay, I entered light speed. This is my little trick. So I'm planning to do a Robux giveaway at 100 subscribers. Fight me! Okay, slide. Okay, I've entered speed mode. Meow, meow, meow. And just walk it off. Just walk it off. Get shot 40 times. Walk it off. Are you ready? Meat cone. Rowdy. Ah, I started outrage. Make a run for it. No, that Viet Cong's stuck. I'm gonna put him out of his misery. Buddy, I'm trying to put you out of your misery. You're in this war. I'm trying to spare you. Well, not really, but I'm trying to kill you so you don't suffer any longer. Okay, speed mode. No, stop me now. Just rush in it. Okay, hey, eat this. Huh, I think he killed them all. I don't like that. I don't like how it gives them names. Oh, I need that. Okay, yep, I'm out of here. Okay, I've entered speed mode. Okay, so actually my papa, my granddad, on my mother's side, fought in the Vietnam War. And he told me not to play these types of games. But did I listen to him? No. Okay, deploy. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. If I, like, not really me, like, metaphorical me, ran at you with this kind of gun. Nope, go the other way. With this kind of gun, at this speed, dang. What is over here? What's over here? Just some smoke? Someone's coming over here. Drop it. Do it. Are you gonna come down here? I mean, I guess that works. But look how realistic this game looks. Like, just take it all in. Like, look at this texture. Oh, just look at my arms, really. Just look at my arms. Go. Ow, ow, ow. Yeah, no one was driving it. Wait. So if I like... That's kind of cool. Surrender to the Vietnam Army. Subscribe to the Viet Cong. Eat bullets. Eat bullets. Oh, you've entered my rage. They used to not have very good aim. Now they have very precise aim. Gas, 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 gotta step on the gas tonight, yeah, gotta step on the gas, 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 gotta step on the gas. Gas, 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 gotta step on the gas. Gas, 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 gotta step on the gas. Hey, where are you, buddy? I want to get a shot. Is that a shotgun? Oh, I'm being shot at. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Enter speed mode. You can't hit me. How are you hitting me? I'm literally moving faster than the speed of light. Faster than the speed of light. Your mother. Be a shotgun. Okay, are you a shotgun? Oh yeah, baby, that's shotgun. Here we go. Okay, the shotgun isn't that good, but they kind of move around jangily, so. Where is one? I want to get up to him, blow his brains out. I'm being shot at. I love this one. This one's amazing. Attack! Okay, nope. Less attacking. Less attacking, we're running. Okay. Unfortunately, that's all we have. Let me just go around here and. Oh, I don't like how it gives them names. Like this guy was named Donkey Teeth. I'm sorry, Donkey Teeth. Like, I feel bad for you, Donkey Teeth. I shot you to death. Oh, there's one left down there. You Vietcong. Oh, he died. He was just so scared of me. Because it thinks you're just sprinting, but you're actually sliding and sprinting at the same time. So I'm literally moving like so stupidly fast. Okay, so. Don't do it! Don't do it! Stop! Stop it! Get some help. That's all we have right now.